Nigerian gay rights activist Bisi Alimi has reacted to a viral photo of the General Overseer of Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG, Pastor e.adeboye, and his wife, e.adeboye, dressed in a regalia similar to that of the Navy. Slamming the cleric, Bisi Alimi filmed at the regalia Adeboye and his wife wore for a church event. He questioned if the religious leader served in the military, as that is the only valid reason for him to wear the uniform, recalling how civilians are usually maltreated for wearing camouflage. He pondered why the same energy isn't given in this case, questioning if it's because he's some man of God. In a lengthy post, Bisi wrote, "Did he serve in the army? To think ordinary Nigerians have either been beaten mercilessly or jailed for wearing just camouflage pants. And here is a civilian in military regalia, and he is getting away with it because he's some man of God. And don't come for me saying it is not a military outfit, that it is redeemed outfit. Camouflage is also not a military outfit. It is fashion, and you get arrested for wearing it. The rule is clear. Unless you are in the military, don't wear any clothing that will be deemed as impersonating the military. They even have medals. What the absolute joke is this? In Nigeria, civilians are not permitted to wear military uniforms or camouflage without the express permission of the president or governor, or for a bona fide display or public entertainment. The penalty for wearing a military uniform without permission is 1 month imprisonment or a monetary fine. The ban on civilians wearing military uniforms is intended to prevent impersonation and to help differentiate between authorized users and criminals. The Nigerian police force is permitted to wear camouflage when on joint operations with the military. Quoting the Nigeria's Criminal Code Act to buttress his point, Bisi Alimi stated that it is unlawful for a civilian to wear the uniform of the armed forces. He wrote, "Read the line above very well. You can make one law for the poor and another for the rich, or so-called men of God. 110 Criminal Code. It is not unlawful for a person to dress having the appearance of bearing any of the regimental or other distinctive marks of the armed. Section 110 subsection 1 of the Criminal Code makes it unlawful for any person who is not serving in any of the armed forces of Nigeria to wear the uniform of the armed." He concluded his post. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time update and exclusive videos.